Good morning, everyone. Critical thinking and creative thinking are two most important qualities that we want to see in our students. Students of 21st centuries are not merely book readers, not merely syllabus completers, but they are critical thinkers. And in order to enhance their critical thinking abilities, we have organized this group discussion. Yes, you heard it right. Group discussion for the students of class 6th, 7th and 8th, and the topic that we have given them is also very vital, very important and very crucial. The topic is parenting is vital, and to deliberate on the topic we have a panel of the panelists who belong to Delhi Public School Dhuri, run by Max Learn India. The panel discussion will be presided over by Manseerat Kaur from grade 8, and she'll be doing the job of the moderator as well. So not taking much of your time, I am handing over the stage to Manseerat and all the panelists, and I wish them very best of luck for today's panel discussion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manseerat Kaur, today's moderator for panel discussion. I feel immense pleasure to welcome our guest speaker Dr. Som Prakash and our Honorable Principal Ma'am Ms. Gurjeet Kaur. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. As we all know about parents' guidance, it is really important for parents to guide their children, as well as it is important for children too to obey their parents. According to me, parents play a vital role in their child's life. And with this, let's start today's panel discussion. So, my first question is to Manmeet Singh Gurna. Good morning, Manmeet.
Good morning.
According to me, parents play a vital role in their child's life. What do you think about it?
Thank you so much for asking me this question. Well, I think that parents play a vital role in child's life by providing love, support and guidance and overall development of the child's character.
Well done, Manmeet. Such a valuable answer. Let's ask Manish now. Do parents really need to interfere in their child's life? If yes, why do you think so, Manish?
Thank you so much for asking me this question. Well, I think that parents play a vital role in children's life because if they didn't interfere in child's life, the child might go to wrong paths. But if they interfere, the child can learn good things and go to right path. So my answer is that parent interference and guidance is very important in children's life.
That's a great answer, Manish. Thanks for it. Well, Manish said parent interference is a must in their child's life. Now let's ask Arsh Pravesh that what are his views for the question. So Arsh, your question is, how can parents strike a balance between providing support and guidance to their children while allowing them the freedom to make their own decisions and learn from their experiences?
I think that parents play a vital role in guiding their children while giving them freedom. Guidance means teaching values, setting boundaries and leading by examples. Build confidence and independence. The key is balance. Parents should guide their children when needed, but also give them some space to make choices and learn from their mistakes. Trust and open communication are essential. Parents' role is to support, not control their children as they discover their own path.
Such a valuable answer to this valuable question. As Arsh said, parents should trust and do open communications with their children. According to me, his perspectives for this question are really great. Now we have Jakshan Singh Sohi. My question to Jakshan is, should parents interfere in their child's social life?
Yes, parents should interfere in their children's social life because their children can learn healthy social skills and manners from their parents. I think that parents should also keep an eye on their children that which type of content they are consuming from social media.
Wow, I'm really grateful for your thoughtful response, Jakshan. And with this, we have our next panelist, Seerat Arora. As we all know, this generation, I mean our Gen Z and Alpha generation, wants full independence, and some parents are giving too, but some are not. let's ask Seerath that what are her opinions about independence of child given by their parents.
Giving independence to child is very crucial for their growth and development. It helps in building self-reliance, self-confidence and decision-making skills and preparing them for adulthood.
I really like your confidence, Seerath. Let's move to our next panelist, Vihan Kansal. Vihan, good morning. So, how can parents effectively maintain a healthy relationship and decision-making processes for their children?
I think that parents can maintain positive decision-making process for their children by gradually increasing their child's autonomy in decision-making as they mature, encouraging critical thinking of their child by discussing their pros and cons, model responsible decision-making themselves.
Well said, Vihan. Such a thoughtful answer. With this, we have our next panelist, Ashif Jindal. So, Ashif, what do you think about how can parents cultivate critical thinking in their children?
I think parents can cultivate critical thinking in a child by encouraging curiosity and asking open-ended questions. It will help them to solve the problems independently. Parents should also give them opportunity to analyze everyday situations. When they will solve the problems independently, their confidence will build up.
Great job, Ashif. Your answer really makes sense. Now, we have our next panelist, our next little chap, Havish Goyal. Havish, what do you think? Should parents interfere in their child's career and relationship decisions?
Well, many children think that their parents should not interfere in their career and relationship choices. But according to me, they should take guidance from their parents, and parents should not force children. Instead of forcing, they should give advice to children. So final decision should ideally be made by children.
Nice, Havish. Well done to your answer. You know, sometimes our parents scold us for in the case of disagreement with some statements, and according to me, sometimes it's too harsh. Now, my question is to Amira Jindal. So, Amira, how the parents should handle disagreement with their children? What do you think about it?
Well, I think that to handle child, parents should stay calm, listen to the child perspective and focus on the child's issue. According to me, this will enhance the healthy communication skills between the parent and the child.
Excellent thoughts, Amira. Nice of you. And with this, let's end up today's discussion. But before this, let me appreciate our team for this wonderful and knowledgeable discussion. Let's give them a huge round of applause for them. Today, in this discussion, we have learned about how epic role our parents play in our life by teaching us everything like decision making and communication skills, and also giving us independence that we deserve while trusting us in all type of situationships, getting us into the right path while saving us from going into the wrong path and letting us live this beautiful life of ours. Let's give them a big round of applause.